Checking your terminations. Checking your terminations and ensuring a good crimp has been performed is vitally important. This procedure should be a standard works practice upon completion of a termination. As mentioned earlier, if a termination is not done in accordance with manufacturer's specifications, this can lead to expensive ramifications. Simply by using a vernier caliper, measure the across flat dimensions and check with a K-back catalogue. Even if the AF measurement is 0.5 mm out either way, incorrect compaction will lead to thermal ratcheting and joint failure. K-back would like to thank you for your attention.